Cars and Coppers 2025. We had a helicopter crash here yesterday, so let's see if the car show turned out good. I heard parts of the helicopter are still out there on the street, so I'm gonna take a piece home. Everybody's competing with their loud music here. Who has the loudest music? I think the truck's winning. All right, we're here.
Iron truck.
Off of first glance, this is probably the busiest car show we've ever been to. Looks like you're entering Coachella here. You can go straight. Yeah, I don't know how much you guys are gonna see, but it is interesting still. Look at this. I can't even see the cars. Uncle Fluffy.
There we go. Let's go check that out.
Little one?
Like that one?
Let's go opposite direction. You go that way, I go this way.
I guess we can try our best. What the hell was that?
Old police car. I don't know. I wonder if this car was roaming around PCH back in the day. Crazy. I'm wondering what this is. What brand is this? Can you guys see the cars at all? Here, go get a peek. There's a bar here at Cars and Coppers. Copters. Of course it's here. You called it yesterday. This is crazy. I haven't seen a full car this entire time. Maybe just this one, C8. It's just a C8.
How to maintain clarity.
Yeah. Oh, nice. That's the one we drove with in Revving Hills, isn't it? Yeah. Koenigseggs back there. Yeah. Oh, I'm sure that was expensive to rent. Is it a Ferrari? What the hell's going on here? It's like a DJ booth. Are they advertising for a DJ booth? Safeguard your investment while supercars flawless design. What?
Here we go. Best of the best. GT500 show.
Alright, we reached the food section. There's barbecue, New York, delicatessen. Probably all expensive. Yeah. Imagine the line though. It's probably so busy out there. And it's probably like $20 a dish. Yeah, that's good. Deli Doctor. Out of all the things I want right now, it's probably a cold horchata. Sounds so delicious. It's hot and packed. Nowhere to walk. Alright, dumplings on this side. The school bus over there for the homeless. Kona Ice. They do have hot dogs? There you go. Green Dogzilla hot dogs. Man, too bad we already had hot dogs. We got Mexican food, hibachi, After's ice cream, beer, this massive tank of a vehicle over here. Dude, this is a vehicle to go to war with. Yeah, that's a wild looking, I wonder how much gas this thing takes. Yeah, since it's Halloween, there's the Batmobile. Why is it bedazzled only in a couple spots though? It's so cheap. Yikes. Oh, that's scary. Yeah, but look how low this is compared to the bus. Crazy. Dude, that lady was about to scratch 2 Lambos. Oh, the first helicopter. This is crazy. Wow. I know, you can just touch it.
There you go.
There's the helicopters. Hold on, we can't even see it, but that's huge. Is that the exhaust pipe? actually seen a helicopter from this close. I want to sit inside. Should I just open it like that dude? That's the Rolls Royce seats. Rolls Royce stitching. So much going on. I can't even focus. There's a Mercy here. I'm trying to get the helicopters, but there's so many distractions everywhere. Look at this. I'm short, so I gotta extend my arm all the way up. That's a perfect shot, dude. Yes, dog. Helicopter number 2. This is like the same spec. It has like the same exhaust. Stick my head in there. Probably shoots out potatoes. It's cool. It's a wrap.
The same one?
It looks like the same thing.
Just different colors.
Yeah.
Different camo.
Look at the inside. What's going on over there? We got a second Yesco. You can barely see it. You gotta appreciate the open shots you get here.
That's a new one.
What car is making that noise? Who's making the noise though? That's what I wanna know. I can't tell what car it is. Here's the third spec of the same helicopter. I thought there would be more helicopters than that. You like this one? The Bugatti? Yeah, very difficult to focus. Bugatti with the back open. Oh, you're gonna watch the walkthrough. This is crazy. Oh, my bad. I just got in a shot. It is. I think Dad needs one of these. But that guy is the best spot up there, man, away from the crowd. It's annoying. This is like grocery shopping for Black Friday combined with like, I don't know, a festival inside of Walmart. I know. The hot dog? I don't know what it is, but it smells like a hot dog from here. But it looks like a carne asada. It's okay. What's an AMG? Wow. You're telling me Pagani uses AMG? Yeah, so this is where the helicopter crashed. He was pulling up to this and he was trying to land here, and something in his helicopter went poof and it started spinning and fell. But shout out to the organizers for keeping it going, because if they would have closed this down from yesterday, that would have sucked. This makes me so angry. This makes me so fucking angry. Fuck. Should burn it. Alright, we're in the last aisle. This has been an emotional roller coaster. It's been a mission trying to get through everybody. That's beautiful.
Your bars, your vendors, your sponsors. We've got No Duck coming up soon from 1 to 3. So get ready for that.
Alright, we made it outside. This is where the entertaining things are. You can actually see the cars and motorcycles that go by here. But it's already slam packed out here. is the one day out of the year the cops don't care because this fundraiser's for them. My favorite part of this whole thing has been these motorcycles that are sprawled out in front. That's a hotel, you probably have to stay there.
I know you do.
Dude, you know, it'd be a good day to rent a hotel there. You should do that next year. Yeah. Everybody's in the middle of the street. Hey, look, these cars can't even get by. These cars can't get by. Short, I can't see anything. Yeah, they cleared out a lot. They shut down the street from both sides, so the traffic stopped coming through. And then once the cars ended, it's over. Everyone starts going back. Police! Police, run!